Well, today we are going to do revision of lesson number 8, Adventure in the Woods. You have to read this chapter and then you have to do the words which are who said to whom. But today we will do in a different way who said these words. Who said these words? For this you have to read the chapter and then you will be able to understand who have said these words or sentences. Thank you. Adventure in the Woods, lesson number 8 in English literature. Children, in this story is said that few children went to hillside town of Kunar. There they went to the forest to play, and while they were playing, it became dark, and two friends were left back, and they were fearing that wild animals will come and kill them. So they decided to climb upon a tree and wait for the morning to come and then they will go home. When they were on the tree, they were hearing some talks of people, and the boys were praying among themselves that elves and fairies of the forest would save them. And slowly it became more darker and darker in the forest. They heard some people talking about tools to cut down trees, and Mukul was wondering how to stop these people by cutting down the trees. But they said among themselves, they look so dangerous. Let's see what they are up to, said Mukul. The boys hid behind a bush and observed the men. Now they had huddled together to discuss something. These bad people were discussing something among themselves. Well, you have to read the chapter. Then there are some exercises. Who said these words? They are in the book. Let's pray to God that the elves and fairies in the woods protect us. Who said? Mukul said. Mukul, we are saved. It must be Mom, and with the police, let's get down, Tony said. Mukul, we can't allow this. We must stop them. Who said? Tony said. Wait, they look so dangerous. Let's see what they are up to. Who said? Mukul said. Hey Tony, see. They've kept the tools beside that bush. Let's hide them away. Again, Mukul said. That's a new wonderful idea. Answer. Mukul whispered. Who whispered? Mukul whispered. Oh, where is my axe? Answer. One of the men. Who took the saw from here? Answer. Who said? Another man. Ghost. Who said this? The third man. Shut up, you fools, and search for the axes. Who said? The leader. You cannot cut these trees. They belong to all of us. Blue. They belong to all the people of the valley. Who said? The people. Who are you to say that? We earn out our livelihood by selling wood. Answer: one of the men. Do you know what will happen if you cut trees? Answer: who said? Mr. Narayan. Now you do all these 12 exercises in your notebook. Okay, children? And learn the word meaning also. Learn the word meanings also. Thank you, children.